Hello and welcome to the Rule 22 video. If you've made it this far, congratulations. By now you should be familiar with the names and arcs of visibility for each of the navigation lights. In this video, we're going to build on that knowledge by exploring how far each of those lights must be visible. And it all depends on the size of the vessel. So grab your notepad and let's dive straight into Rule 22, Visibility of Lights. Rule 22, A. Vessels 50 meters and above. Rule 22, A states that the lights prescribed in these rules must have an intensity as specified in Annex 1, Section 8, so they are visible at the following minimum ranges. For vessels 50 meters or more in length, masthead light, 6 nautical miles, sidelights, 3 nautical miles, stern light, 3 nautical miles, towing light, 3 nautical miles, all-round lights, white, red, green, or yellow, 3 nautical miles. To help you visualize this, refer to the diagram we've provided. It shows the vessel layout with the visibility distances clearly marked. This is the maximum standard, required for the largest vessels. Rule 22, B. Vessels 12 meters to under 50 meters. For vessels 12 meters or more but less than 50 meters in length, the visibility distances change slightly. Masthead light, 5 nautical miles, except for vessels under 20 meters, where the masthead light only needs to be visible for 3 nautical miles. Sidelights, 2 nautical miles, stern light, 2 nautical miles, towing light, 2 nautical miles, all-round lights, white, red, green, or yellow, 2 nautical miles. Check out the second diagram, which clearly displays how these requirements apply to mid-sized vessels. Rule 22, C. Vessels under 12 meters. For smaller vessels under 12 meters in length, the minimum visibility requirements are masthead light, 2 nautical miles, sidelights, 1 nautical mile, stern light, 2 nautical miles, towing light, 2 nautical miles, all-round lights, whether white, red, green, or yellow, 2 nautical miles. Again, we've included a simplified diagram so you can easily visualize this setup. Remember, just because a vessel is smaller, it doesn't mean it's exempt. These visibility requirements still apply. Rule 22, D. Inconspicuous or towed objects. This part of the rule applies to vessels or objects being towed that are inconspicuous or partly submerged. These must display a white all-round light visible for 3 nautical miles. You'll see this in the last diagram we've included, showing what kind of light needs to be displayed by an object under tow, particularly when it's difficult to detect visually. That's a lot of distances and vessel sizes to memorize, but don't worry. To make it easier, we've compiled this summary template for you. 50 meters and above, 12 to under 50 meters, and under 12 meters. Pause the video, take a screenshot, or grab a picture with your phone. Keep these charts handy. They'll really help you visualize and memorize the requirements for Rule 22. Congratulations on completing Rule 22, Visibility of Lights. Understanding this rule is vital for safe nighttime and restricted visibility navigation. So study hard. Make sure you know your distances, and I'll see you in the next video.